Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Do you remember me? I am your English teacher. Today we shall start the class with a smile on your face. See, I am smiling, even you all should smile. Say cheese. You will smile automatically. Say cheese, all of you. Okay, very good. Now, in our last class we have learnt about the first 6 letters of English alphabet. Today we are going to learn another 6 letters of the English alphabet. You remember we learned from A to F. A to F. Today we are going to start with G. We are going to learn about the phonic sound of the letter and the name of the letter. What this letter is and what is the phonic sound, everything we are going to learn today. Okay? Children, as I told you that in our last class we have finished up to F. Now we are going to learn from letter G. See the letter G. G says G. What G says? G says G. The letter G. This is small g. G for grapes. G for goat. G for grapes. G for goat. And the phonic sound is G. You should remember the phonic sound is G. Now we'll move on to the next letter. This is actually a recap, so I'm doing it little fast. See this letter? What is this letter? H. You might have learned this in LKG. H. H says H. H says H. H for hen. H for home. H for hen and H for home. The next letter is, come on, tell me what will be the next letter? It is I. I says E. The phonic sound is E. I says E. Igloo. See the igloo image? I for igloo. I for ice cream. You all like ice cream, isn't it? I for igloo. I for ice cream. The next letter is J. The phonic sound of J is J. Repeat all of you. J. 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 Joker. See the joker here. J for joker. J for jug. Joker, jug. Okay. I, J, K. Now we have come to the letter K. K says K. Say, K says K. K, K, K. K for kite. K, K, kite. K, K, key. Kite and key. Okay. The next letter is L. What is this letter? L. See, L is like this and the small L is like this. The phonic sound of L is L. Say the phonic sound. L. See, your tongue should touch L. L, lion. L, lion. L, lamp. L for lion. L for lamp. The next letter is M. See the letter M. M, the phonic sound of M is M. Okay? Repeat, all of you should repeat. You should not keep just listening to me. Repeat along with me. M says M. Mango. You all like mangoes to eat? Mango. Monkey. See, monkey and mango. M for mango and monkey. The phonic sound is M. The next is N. See the letter N. Small n this is. Okay? The phonic sound of N is N. N. N, nest. N, nest and N, nib. This is the nib of the pen. N says N, nest, N, nib. Okay, we'll move to the next letter. See, this is letter O. O. The phonic sound of O is A. See, your mouth should come round. A. O says octopus. Orange. O for octopus. O for orange. When you come back to school, I'll teach you one more time very neatly. Just you have to learn all this at home and keep remembering it. This is the final letter for today. We'll finish it off with P. This is letter P. This is capital P and this is small p. The phonic sound as usual is P. P says P. P. P for parrot. P for pen. P for parrot. P for pen. Say along with me. P for parrot, P for pen. Okay, children. Now we have learned the phonic sounds and the letters along with the letters. Now I'll teach you how to write all these letters. You have to take out your 4 lines book and write as I write on the board. Okay? When you come back to school, I will check all those things. You have to write along with me. Take out your 4 lines book and write down. Today the first letter we learned was G. Letter G. See, we have to write the capital letter G like this. A big curve. Touch the blue line, sleeping line and one small standing line. See, this is letter G. You have to start from the red line. This is capital G. And now a circle, go up and come down. This is small g. Big G and small g. Now H. One standing line, small sleeping line and one more standing line. This is big H. And this is small h. It's very easy. One standing line, one bumpty bumps. One bumpty bump and one standing line. G and H. Now we are writing I. I is very easy. One standing line and 2 sleeping lines. Okay? One standing line. Small I is, you have to write it between the blue lines. See? One small standing line and one dot here in the middle. G, H, I. Now we'll go to letter J. One standing line and one lumpy lumps here. Small lumpy lumps and one sleeping line. Small j will start from blue line. See, remember the small j will start from blue line. The same thing as you have written here, the same thing you have to write here and put a dot over here. Now we'll move on to K. Standing line, slanting line and one more slanting line. K. Small k you will start from red line only. From red line to blue line, one standing line, and the slanting lines should be between the blue lines like this. See the difference? This is capital K and this is small k. Now we'll move on to the next letter M. One standing line. The next letter is L. One standing line and one sleeping line. See here, one standing line and one sleeping. It is L and this is small l. From red line to blue line, just you have to put one standing line. Okay. The next letter is now M. And one standing line, right slanting line, and again you have to go up and come down. See, make sure that you touch this slanting line should come till here. Blue line. Don't bring it here and go like this. Come down, touch this second blue line, go up and write like this. This is M. And now the small m. One standing line, 2 bumpty bumps like this. Okay? M. It will be very easy for you because you have learnt in LKG. The next is N. One standing line, slanting line and one standing line. This is big N, okay? And small n is same like M but half you have to write. One standing line and one bumpy bumps. This is small n. Write like me only. Now O. O is very easy. Just put a circle like this, touching the first red line and the second blue line. Okay? O, capital O. Small o between the blue lines. Okay? Tell me what will be the next letter? Yes, P. Standing line and one right curve. One standing line and one right curve is big P. Now the small p you have to start from blue line. Blue line to red line and the same thing. Okay, this is big P and this is small p. I think children you all understood how to write the letters from G to P. Was it clear for you all? See, have a look at the board. See, from G to G, H, I, J, K, L, N, N, O, P. From G to P I have written on the board. See it properly and write it in the same manner. I want all of you to write it like this neatly in your 4 lines book. Take out your school book and write down, and we'll meet you in the next class with the next set of letters, English letters. Okay? Bye children. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.